Hello?
Hello.
Hello, handsome woman.
Oh, I wish I was. It's Friday, May the 18th. This is our newly converted bird room. Mine and my lovely wife Min.
Hello?
Behind the camera. That's it. See? Beautiful. Converted from an old, actually it's an army. From an old army house. A barrack room.
Can you produce your boys a little bit, please?
Is this a squirrel? Fan. There he comes, see? Very tired, he's been having a sleep. Yeah. The golden finches. Young ones. On the top row golden. And we've got diamond doves and Scots fancy canaries at the bottom. That's Scots fancy. Gloucester. It's a Gloucester.